Do you ever want to add something new to your life, like a new dog, a new exercise routine, a new system for your family, a calendar system, anything that is new that you want to add to your family, but you think, how am I going to integrate this into our lives to make it seamless? So I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I am the founder of Happier Moms, and I teach busy working moms easy, doable ways to meditate and also gain peace and calm in your day so you can enjoy your time at work, enjoy your time at home, and really feel like you're making a difference in the world. So today, what I want to talk about is my number one tip on bringing a dog into your life. Am I a dog trainer? No. I had a dog as a child, but I have never had a dog as an adult. So we just got a dog, and I am in love with her. And we did some pre-steps before we got the dog. So as a busy mom, I own a practice and have children that I love and take care of, and I have a busy life. So I also have a husband. And so when he has wanted this dog for a very long time. I'm glad we got her now, but I had a little trepidation about having a dog because it comes with a lot of responsibility. And I had a conversation with him like, okay, you take care of the dog. Like, I'm going to love the dog, and I'll walk the dog, and I'll train the dog, but you do the things that are like mundane little tasks. So these are the things like, take the dog to the vet, figure out the stuff she needs, get her doggy insurance. If she has to do training, bring her there. If we have a family thing, you figure out the thing for the dog when the dog's not invited or can't go or any of those things. So he happily agreed to this. We had this conversation before we brought the dog into the house. That is the whole point of this conversation. Doing prevention is the best thing that you can do in your life, bringing any new thing into your life. So be it a dog, a new system, anything into your life, talking about it beforehand and asking for what you want for your expectations will make it be so much easier. People now ask me all the time, how's it going with your dog? How's it going with your new puppy? It's great. I mean, it's awesome. I don't do the little mundane tasks because I delegated that to my husband, and he's happy to take it on. I wasn't like, you got to do this stuff and I won't do it. He said that he would do it. And that works great for us as a family. Now we have this sweet, cute little dog that I love and our kids love, and she's awesome. And I get to take her for walks and play with her. And I know a lot of people find a lot of joy in having a furry little friend in their house. And we finally get to have that too, without the resentment. So again, the whole point of this conversation and me telling this story is so you can prevent something from happening beforehand. Delegate the stuff that you think about. Are you going to think about everything? Of course not, when you integrate a new thing into your life. But when you do have some forethought as to what's going on, talk to the people in your life that it's going to affect, and think about how it's going to take away or give you something. So be it love, energy, time, any of those things. Think about it before you do the thing. So I invite you today to think about something that you want to bring into your life, and then write down the things that will bring you joy. Those are the wins. Write down the things that are going to be tricky. Those are the cons. And then see if you can delegate some of those things that are going to be tricky for you. I want you to remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. I hope this is very helpful, and I will see you soon. Oh, also, I am creating a mini course. So I'm in the process of making it now. If you would like a copy of the mini course before I release it, send me a message or write in the comments that you would like it, and I'll send it along to you. You'll be the first to get it.